Hello friends, in today's session we know about the various component of environment. Basically, environment can be divided in four parts. First is atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Let us see what is the atmosphere. Atmosphere is nothing but the mixture of various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, methane, krypton, nitrous oxide, hydrogen, ozone, and various other gases. Majorly, the nitrogen is about 78% in the atmosphere, and which is responsible for the cooling of our earth. Okay, and then the major quantity of oxygen is available in atmosphere. It is about 21 percentage. Argon is near to 0.9 to 1%, and other quantity of various gases is in a very small quantity. Okay, the concentration of carbon dioxide CO2 is increasing by about 1.5 ppm yearly as a result of deforestation and increased air pollution from automobiles and industry. These are the three basic reasons for the increase in carbon dioxide concentration about 1.5 ppm yearly. Which three reasons? Deforestation and increase in air pollution due to automobiles and various industries. The structure of atmosphere. The first most layer of atmosphere is troposphere, which is the lower portion of atmosphere, and it is extend up to 8 kilometer at poles and about 16 kilometer at equator. On an average extent up to 10 to 11 kilometer from Earth's surface. Various properties of troposphere is temperature, winds, pressure, humidity, cloud. We know about weather, and weather is a combination of these properties. Temperature in this region decrease at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius per kilometer. At every kilometer, the temperature is decrease about 5 to 7 degrees Celsius per kilometer. The next layer of the atmosphere is a stratosphere, and it is extend 50 to 55 kilometer, and ozone layer is included in stratosphere. Temperature increase with height. Next one is mesosphere. It is extend up to 80 kilometer, and temperature decrease slowly up to minus 75 degree Celsius. Remember friends, in stratosphere the temperature increase with height, and in the mesosphere temperature is decrease with high. Okay, next one is thermosphere. In the thermosphere temperature increase rapidly with height. There is a layer of charged particle known as ionosphere. Okay, the charged particles belongs to thermosphere. This question will be most askable question in an examination. In which layer the charged particles are available? You should give the answer in the thermosphere, and they known as ionosphere. And the last one of the atmosphere is exosphere. Very little knowledge about this layer. The scientists are studying on this layer. Very little known about this. It is exist above ionosphere up to 2000 kilometer extent from the Earth's surface, and this layer is airless and found very empty, and the temperature is more than 1200 degree Celsius. The next component of the environment is hydrosphere. It is also known as water environment. 70 percentage earth covered by the water. Now, different water sources are seas, oceans, lake, rivers, glaciers, dams, well, etc. And the 97 percentage of water is found from seas and oceans, and other 2% water found from in glacier. We also know the ice cap. Ice cap is also known as glacier, and other 1% water, which is known as fresh water, which is available for humans. Only the single percent of fresh water available for human use or any organisms use. Okay, water is a main constituent in all the living organisms and act as an important resources for human life. The next component of the environment is lithosphere. It is the outer soil crust. It contains various minerals, organic matters, inorganic matters, all the solid matters covered in this layer. It plays an important role as it not only produces food for human beings and animals, but also the decomposition of organic wastage is carried out by a host of microorganisms in the soil. And the last component of environment is biosphere. Very thin outer crust of the earth includes human, animals, plants, all the living organisms are covered in this biosphere. It extends from lowest seabed level to about 24 kilometer of the atmosphere. Okay friends, we will meet in next video. Till time, take care and enjoy the lecture.